I'm Mike Baldwin, CEO and co-founder of OpenTug, and we're improving the efficiency of freight transportation by improving access to inland and coastal waterways. So if you look at freight as a whole and logistics as a whole, most modes have been making transportation easier. There's been a lot of digitalization in trucking, international container freight, rail, and even air cargo as well. But looking at waterways as a whole, domestic waterways, bulk and break bulk transportation, it's still fairly difficult to access. Most of the sales processes are very manual. You got to talk to a lot of people. Depending on what you're doing, you may be coordinating across 3, 4, 5, 6 different parties, each of which you have to communicate individually depending on your use case. And that creates a really high barrier of entry for shippers. And if you know the industry, great, but if not, there's a lot of complication there and it's difficult to access, which constrains the efficiency of the industry as a whole. So we simplified that. We're the first digital marketplace to connect bulk and break bulk shippers with transportation and terminal capacity. Customers simply search for their requirements, their destinations, their cargo, and their timeline. They book that shipment and they track it to their destination. But that's not something that's normally accessible with the technology stack of existing domestic and inland coastal maritime organizations. So we streamline sales for these operators by providing them a modern SaaS platform for their sales and customer management. So this includes automated voyage planning, cost estimation, a customer portal, instant proposal generation, as well as automated tracking and position reporting so they can provide a top-tier experience to their customers, whether that's coming through us, through our marketplace, or their existing customers and their existing channels as well. So our marketplace launched in Q1 of 2023. We saw over 3 million tons of cargo requested through it through the year, and we have hundreds of service providers that list their services, provide quotes, and interact with our customers. And I think these are all Q3 numbers, so it's grown since then. And then our SaaS tools power some of the largest companies in the industry. We have partnerships with Tote Maritime, McDonough Marine Service, CLG, formerly Float Freight, and many others, Port of Pittsburgh, Port of Jacksonville, as you see here. And we're growing that every single day.